Hey, this is Nishant, and today in this video, we are gonna take a look like how you can create a Google Ads campaign for your plumbing services business. If you don't know anything about like Google Ads, this video still work for you because in this video, I'm gonna explain you every like main and the important settings in Google Ads campaign, so you don't have to juggle around the other settings, and that's it. The whole purpose of this video is basically how you can create a Google Ads campaign if you still don't know about anything about like Google Ads and you are just a beginner. So let's just start with creating the campaign setup. So this is the home page of the Google Ads, and we have to click on this new campaign. Then we have to click on this new campaign option again. Here we have to select the objectives. So it is basically asking you about like goals. What is the goal of your business? What do you want like the Google Ads to do? And here I want to suggest you that you don't have to go with like any of this pre-made templates. Then you have to select this one, create a campaign without a guidance. Then we have to select our campaign type. So we are going to create a search campaign for like our businesses. So that's why we are going to choose this search campaign here. Now we have this conversion sections. It is asking us to choose a conversion because we have only already one conversion setup. So we are going to go with this. It's just sign up conversions. And then we have to click on this continue. Then it is asking again about the what type of result we want, and we are going to skip this one, so we have to click on this continue. Then we have to name this campaign. I'm going to name this campaign as plumbing and just click on this continue and click on the start new. Now we have our first setting. This is like the bidding section. So we have to choose a bidding option. So what bidding is basically, so it is more likely the campaign supervisor who work on like target based goal. So we have to give it a target, what we want our campaign to main focus on. So what we want, like we want conversions, or we want conversion value, or we want like our campaign to get more clicks or like more impression, reach to more people. We want our campaign to get more clicks, we want our ad to get more clicks so more people can reach to our landing page and they can redirect to our the phone numbers or like our primary conversions. Then we have to click on this next. Then we have like the network settings. Then network settings are basically the additional partner websites, apart from the Google websites. uh, if you it is basically the affiliate websites from the Google's. So if any website is affiliated with like the Google AdSense, so Google is basically showing your ads at them. So you don't want this sections because we want only to show our ads on like Google properties, like the Google search ad. So we are gonna uncheck this one. Then we have to select the location settings. So in this section, I'm going to click on this enter another locations and click on this advanced search. Then we have to enter a locations. I'm going to go with Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. This is our ads are going to run. And we have to click on this include. And then we have to click on the save option. We have already set up the locations. Then we have to do some more settings. So we have now this extra options called include. Now we have like two options here. This is the first one is like the pre-selected. It's called like presence and like interested. People in or regularly in who shows interest in like your selected locations. So basically like people who are interested in this location like Melbourne, Victoria, our ads are going to show on them. We don't want this, so we are going to select the second options. It is called like presence, like the people who are like live in that area. So our ad are going to show on only that only this type of people. So we had done with the location settings. Then we have to select locations, our like the language settings. So our language settings is basically going to be the English only. Then we have also like the audience segment sections, but I wouldn't suggest you you don't have to like go with this. because audience segment is basically more likely for the display ads and the video ads if you are going to select any of this, because like you can see like the plumber fictions and like the you have like option like the pre-made audiences. But I would suggest you you don't have to go with this one, because if you are going to select this, your campaign targeting will be more narrow downs, and your campaign or you can say your ad wouldn't show to like more people, or you can say the interested people. Your ad will be like limited, and your ad budget will not be spent, and your ads or you can say your campaign will be stuck at like without spending, and that's it. Now we have done with the like campaign settings. Then we have to click on this next. Now we have this new sections called AI Max for search campaign. So what is basically this? So I wouldn't recommend you to turn it on. So you can turn it on from this button, but I wouldn't recommend you to turn it on because it is more likely the automation settings. And if you are going to turn this on, so what it basically it does, so it will take away the power of you the manual settings, doing some manual settings, and it will automatically ups and down all of your like campaign settings, and that will be like cost you more in the if you are like a beginner, or like you if you just start with like Google Ads. So yeah, because AI Max is still in the I guess it is like the progress sections, and it is not the complete done, and that's why. Now we had done with this sections or as well. Now click on this next. And this is also AI sections. It's called like keyword and asset generations. So what it is basically does, if you don't have like the keywords and the ads copy written, so all you have to do is just paste here your URL, your website URL, and it will automatically generate the keywords as well as your ad copies. But we don't want to go with this one because it is also like the AI feature, and we don't want to do all the things automated, and we want to do more things like the like manual sections. So we are going to skip this one, like the AI Max as well as like keyword and asset generations, because both of this like the AI sections. So we're going to skip this one as well. Then now we are at like the keyword and the like ad sections. So now here we have to put our keywords that we just researched. So if you don't research any keywords, so you can just go simply the Google keyword planners, and you can find out some keywords from there. And if you don't know like how to do that, what you can do is basically you can watch like another video of our channel. I have already made a video like how you can do like keyword research in the like proper depth. And we have our keywords here, and now we have to like put our we have basically this is a like ad section. So we have done with the like keyword sections. Now we have this is our ad sections. So we have to create an ads like the ads headlines and a description as well, and we can also like add the like site links and other extensions. So what we are going to do is we are gonna continue with this like the ad copy. I have already written like some of the like ad copies. So we are going to do with like this. So I will recommend you to try to fill like all of these headlines. There are like the 15 headlines option you can enter here, and because we have like the time limited, so we are not going to fill all of this 15, and we are gonna going with this some of this. Now we have done with the like headline section and the description section as well, and now here we have like enter a final URL. So we don't have a final URL. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna take this URL from here and paste it here as well. And that's it. And here you can see your ad strength. So basically you have like the options like about like the poor ad strength is basically your ad will be like more likely to not shown on the like Google ads if you have like poor strength ad strength poor. And make sure you have like the ad strength like the good and like the great. And the fourth and the last option is basically the excellent ad strength, and it will be like good if you have the like excellent ad strength, but basically you have to target for the the good, because it is like more likely to on the uh, balance sides, and it will be like good. So we are gonna not gonna focus on this because it was like demo campaigns, and I just have written like some of this, and this URL is not matched our like headlines and like descriptions. But if you have a website and you have just written the headlines and the descriptions on the basis of your final URL or basically your websites, then it will gonna be like the ads will be good or the like excellent. So yeah, we are now done with like our ad section as well. Now we have gonna click on this next button. We have our next settings called like budget. So it is like the confirm its use sections. It is like the Google's new setting. It's confirming us like the changes that we are making like in the like new campaigns. It is basically making from the like owner of this accounts or like someone has hacked his account or like making a new campaign or like spending his budget. So it is like also good, but we are not gonna do this because we are gonna not gonna publish this campaign. So I'm gonna click on this cancel. Now we have this budget sections, and here we have to like select a new budget. So currently, I located in India, that's why it is showing in like Indian currency. But if you are like located in US or like the Melbourne or like Australia, so it will show you in the like your local currency. And but I will suggest you don't have to go with the $100 or like $200. You can just start with the like $30 to $40 per day budget, and that will be like go more good for you. It is like basically asking for you set your average daily budget. So here it will asking you about your daily budget, not your monthly budget. So you have to put your daily budget here. So it will be like 20 to $30 will be like good. So you will get the leads about like $5 to $6 if like it will be like the maximum. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave this as a sections because it is not gonna like our main words. So yeah. So now click on this next section. And now here we have like all our settings, and it's currently checking for the errors if we have like some errors in our campaigns. And from here you can just review all of your settings like your goals and yeah, goals, bidding, campaign settings, AMX, keywords, ads, and like budgets. So as you can see, it is showing us like the keywords. We have set it the 5 keywords, and if we have like set it our like the audience, some type of audience, it will show here as well. As you can see, the audience is like no segments, so it is good. You don't have to like go with the, like any type of audience in the like search ads. It is basically like limit the reach of your search campaign. So yeah, that's it for this video. And if you have like any question regarding this video, like if you find any problem like between like creating a new campaign for your businesses, you can just reach us like at the like the comment sections, or you can DM us like on the like LinkedIn or like any other platform. You will find all the links in the like descriptions as well. You can reach us, and we will more likely to help you. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.